Ten seconds later.
Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. I'll also be reviewing the set and also be comparing it to other LEGO train sets in a future video. Please let me know if you want me to continue the LEGO airplane series or if you guys want to see more train videos. And also, what do you guys think about the new filming setup, by the way? I was really busy the past few weeks getting this up and running. It's about 90% done so far, and I'm still experimenting with different camera angles and different editing techniques to give you guys the best quality content as possible. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.